Welcome back. United Way of the Bluegrass helps support families and people in need through community programs.
President and CEO Timothy Johnson is here to talk about the services they provide. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you for having me here today.
Tell us about the mission of United Way.
Absolutely. So our mission is to support members of our community by providing them with the resources needed for a thriving life. Whether it's helping individuals gain access to education, financial stability, work readiness programs, meals, your United Way stands ready to help the community. And there's ways that people can get involved by volunteering with us, by helping us advocate to lawmakers for changes for the community, and of course by permitting contributions, because we do a lot of great work, but with everyone's help, we can always do a little bit more.
There's a pretty big umbrella when it comes to the programs that United Way helps with. What are some of the ones that you kind of want people to know about that they may not be aware of?
Absolutely. So as we come into this end of this year and about to start the new year, our tax season is always top of mind. Everyone's thinking about that. So our Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program, otherwise known as VITA, is a program that we have through the IRS where we can do taxes for individuals and families at no cost to them directly. So it's really geared towards individuals who are low to moderate income, meaning if you make less than $64,000 a year, you can come get your taxes done professionally by us. It doesn't cost you anything. So that's money you're saving on going to a paid tax preparer, as well as we help get you various tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit that helps stretch that refund that much further.
It's a very helpful program, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
You've also got a Lyft program that's fairly new. Can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. So we call it Ride United through a national partnership with our National United Way Worldwide, as well as the Lyft company. We're able to provide free rides to individuals to help them, on their way to thriving. So if you're on your way to a doctor's appointment, or on your way to a job interview, or legal aid assistance, or any number of things, you can dial our helpline, which is 211. And we can connect you to a free ride to get you to that appointment.
How often do you all have somebody reach out to you for one specific thing? They're thinking like, oh, I saw this, let me get help with this. And then they find out there are all kinds of different things that you all can help them with.
Several times. So absolutely, just in the last 3 months, and I know this because I just talked about this morning, the last 3 months we've had about 5,000 calls to our 211 that resulted in nearly 7,000 services, which means more than one service per phone call. So we get a lot of calls. We do about 27,000 calls a year throughout the Commonwealth.
That's incredible. How can we get involved with this mission?
Absolutely. So one, check out our website. There's always opportunities to volunteer, get involved, roll your sleeves up, and help support your community by going to uwbg.org. Also, as I mentioned, advocating is important. So help educating our lawmakers on how they can make a difference, whether it's in the Capitol or locally. And of course, contributions as we come to the end of this tax season and end of this year. Giving contributions by December 31st is important, but you can give it any time by going to our website and contributing to the mission of United Way of the Bluegrass.
And I'm sure if people have different skills when it comes to volunteering, you all have a spot for them.
Absolutely. Everything from painting a wall or helping to clear brush to helping to volunteer with interviewing skills and things of that sort.
Incredible. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you, Victor. Happy holidays.